do is talk about some of the different ways that you can put the stairs together. Some temporary stairs just to get down to a garden, some stairs that might just lead up to entryway. The old way, one of the ways that you can do this is you can take a framing square and actually lay out everything. Lay out two identical stringers. This is a lot of cutting, a lot of opportunity for mistakes. What we did is we just went ahead and we bought the stringers pre-cut. You can buy them. So what we're doing is we're just chopping these into 3-foot things. These are the stair treads. Stair treads should be out of something durable, a composite or a redwood. There's our tread, and then we've got a riser, right, Dave?
Yep, we do.
And all you have to do is we'll just start assembling them gently as we go across.
Okay.
And then we've got a riser on the back side that rises right up into the top here. It's all laid out and simple. You can mount these to the house with joist hangers. What we did is we just put some big heavy lumber under there so we can pull them off and put them back on, because what's going to happen is there's actually going to be a deck built here. So this is just to get the workers in and out so that we don't have to step up this dangerous area here.